Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. So after so many days I'm back with a battle of foundation. I have already done the battle of foundation between the Lakme Invisible Finish and the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and also the L'Oreal Matte Magic and the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. So if you haven't watched that kind of video, then please click on the I button and just check it right here. So today, after like so many long days, third time I'm going to do a battle of foundation between the L.A.Girl Pro Matte foundation, that is the HD high definition one. Another one is the L.A.Girl Pro Coverage HD high definition long wear illuminating foundation. So both of these foundation are from a single brand, that is the L.A.Girl. One is the matte, another one is the illuminating foundation. So I am testing this out from like 3 months, so I thought why not to share a battle and a review so that it would be helpful for you what to choose or what to not. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this kind of video, then give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and also the bell button next to it so that you never miss out any of my future video. And you guys can also follow me in my Instagram so that you can get update when and where which video is coming. So yes, without further delay, let's get started with today's video. So basically I have both this foundation. When I'll be reviewing this foundation, I will share the demo, then I'll be put this illuminating foundation on the right side of my face and the matte foundation on the left side of my face. So first I'll be starting with the price. So both of this foundation cost for 1250 rupees in the Indian rupees, and you may get discount in different websites. So in case of the product quantity, in the L.A.Girl Pro Matte foundation you will get 30 ml of product, and in the L.A.Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating foundation you are getting 28 ml of the product, like 2 ml least product. So basically, coming to the shades range, there are 18 shades available in both of these foundations and you can easily get them online. In Kolkata they are not available in offline, but in the Nykaa stores they can be definitely available. So in online they are available in the like Nykaa.com as well as in the hawkmakeup.com and also in the Amazon. I think I'll put the link below in the description bar so that you guys can purchase directly from it, and I will put the link of the best discount where it is going on, because I bought them on like sale and I got both of them in the half price, like 50% off price, 625, and another one is the 675. So that was a great deal. So I will definitely put the link below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. So you guys must be interested about the my shade. So L.A.Girl Pro Matte foundation, which is the HD high definition matte foundation, in that case my shade is a GLM 678, that's it, sand. And in the illuminating foundation my shade is bronze. I will mention my detailed shades in the below description bar, so check it out. So firstly I will be starting with the packaging of this foundation. First of all, the L.A.Girl Pro Matte foundation comes in this kind of frosty packaging, as you guys can see, but here you cannot watch, like see the proper foundation color. You just can assume. You definitely has to test it out before buying it, otherwise you will be mistaking your shade. Also it has a matte black cap, and the pump dispenser also works pretty amazingly, and that's really nice. So this is very nice and very little foundation, and you guys can carry it definitely, so it's travel friendly. Now coming to the L.A.Girl Pro Coverage Illuminating foundation, this foundation is plastic packaging, and also it has a glossy cap. It also comes with a pump which is very travel friendly, but the packaging is little bit bulky, but yet it's like so small that is you guys can see it's that much, so you guys can definitely carry it along with your travel kit. So yes, so both of this foundation claims to be high definition and also buildable and full coverage foundation, so we'll definitely see on that. Now coming to the formula of these two foundations, the L.A.Girl Pro Matte foundation looks like a matte. It has a very creamy thick texture and it looks like a matte, and also it enriched with vitamin B5, vitamin E oil, which is definitely so moisturizing, but still it's so matte and creamy in texture, and it settles down to a matte finish. When it comes to the illuminating foundation, as you guys can can see, this is the illuminating foundation. It is quite liquidy and it has a little bit of sheen which gives you kind of glowy effect, and it's not totally like completely dewy foundation, but it's somewhere between the demi and liquid foundation, which is I think very comfortable for the dry skin people as well. So move on to the coverage. First, the L.A.Girl Pro Matte foundation, which has a medium to buildable coverage, and it claims to be vanishes your fine lines and pores, but I think when I have applied it, it settled down to my fine lines and pores, which is not acceptable at all, because I have oily to combination skin. When I applied it on my this side, it blends very beautifully, but after that it feels so dry. If you are even an oily skin person, I would highly recommend you to apply any oil based or gel based moisturizer and thick moisturizer before applying this Pro Matte foundation, because it is pretty dry and it can exaggerate in your fine lines. Now coming to the coverage wise, L.A.Girl Pro Illuminating Foundation. Now this illuminating foundation is so much full coverage. It gives you total full coverage. It vanishes your pores, fine lines, even the dark spots. I have not applied any concealer in this side. As you guys can see, it's completely skin like finish and it will feel like a second skin, and it's absolutely very much comfortable on the skin. It builds like a butter, and you know, it gives you that coverage which is like a skin finish coverage, and it's definitely gives you that decent glow as it is a illuminating foundation, and it looks like a healthy and fresh skin. Really, the longevity of this foundation, both of these foundations are long wearing foundation, but this matte foundation is definitely are so much long lasting foundation, because for the oily skin people especially, because it is a matte foundation, but after 5 to 6 hours it can settle down to your face and it looks little bit patchy, which I don't like at all. Now move on to the illuminating foundation. It is definitely long lasting for like 10 to 12 hours for the dry skin people, but for oily to combination skin people like me, you have to touch it up after 8 hours. If you settle down this foundation, this illuminating foundation, in a good kind of powder, or if you bake of this foundation, then that would be definitely helpful and can make your foundation more long lasting. Quickly showing you guys the transfer test. So this side I have the illuminating foundation and I have a clean mirror with me. So I am going to press it just right here, and you guys can see that there is a foundation on top of the mirror, as it is an illuminating foundation, so you have to just set it really well with a good quality powder. So also I'm gonna test this side as well, which is the matte side. Again, I have cleaned my mirror, and you can see this transfer as well, but this transfers more than that because it, you know, gives you a patchy finish after 6 to 7 hours, so that is why it transfers a lot, being a matte foundation. So my final thought about both of these foundations are, first of all, this matte foundation is good for like occasion purpose, but you have to apply a very good moisturizer and you have to do your base makeup very nicely. If you are a pro in the makeup, then you can definitely buy it, but I think I will give it 3 out of 5. But move on to the illuminating foundation. As it is a illuminating foundation, but I have oily to combination skin, still I love this so much. It becomes a little bit oily and give a sheen after 7 hours, but still I would not mind to touch it up and wear this because it gives you full coverage, and also, you know, it is not patchy and gives you a skin like finish. So definitely if I have to choose between these two, I will choose the illuminating one, because that is really good. Also, if you are a dry skin person, then definitely I will recommend you not buy this matte foundation. It will exaggerate your fine lines and patches and everything and makes your face more dry. I will recommend you to buy this illuminating foundation. So that is it. I will give this illuminating foundation 4.5 out of 5. So that is it for my review as well as battle of the foundation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel below this video by clicking on the red color subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you never miss out any of my future video. You guys can follow me in my social media. All the links will be in the down below description bar. Check out the discount codes of my Pixie Beauty as well as in the gerardcosmetics.com. Yes, this is me Debadrita signing off for the day. I will see you guys super duper soon with a brand new video. Until next time, bye, take care, stay happy and stay healthy.